Hi, this dance is called La Vida Es Una, choreographed by Herman Baso from Indonesia on January 2023. There are 32 count, 4 whirls, improver level line dance. There is one restart on wall 9 after 16 count. Okay, let's start with this section 1. Section 1. Cross behind, recover side, cross behind, recover side, cross over, recover side, and then cross shuffle, cross side, cross. Section 2, side, cross touch, quarter shuffle turn to left, side together, quarter turn to left, side step forward, and then half pivot, step forward, half turn left to left, and then walk, walk. Section 3, mambo forward, rock, mambo backward, and then side mambo, right, left. And then section 4, quarter just back to right, cross, quarter turn to right, step back, side, forward, and then half pivot to left, and then quarter pivot to left. Okay, let me repeat with a count. Section 1, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's all the tutorial. I hope you can follow the step. I hope you enjoy the music, the choreo, and I look forward to see your demo version. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.